Hey guys, how's it going? So if you find yourself in this position where you created a nice front-end application, it's completely static, and you want to be able to send some data via email, maybe just from a simple form, but you don't necessarily want to create a full backend because that ruins the whole point of having nice, cheap, static hosting. Well, instead of doing that, you can use formsubmit.co. What this allows you to do is send them a post request, including your email and the rest of the form data, and they'll just forward on the response right to your email. And I'll show you how this is done in a real example. The first thing that I'm going to do is just copy this demo form that they have, and I'm going to go into my project. I'm using Next.js for my project, so this is going to be done as a React component, but I'll paste it as HTML, so it's hopefully easy for you to understand regardless of what your project is in. I'll also add a link in the description to a text version of this tutorial, and inside of that I'll add a wide variety of different ways that you can code this. Ideally, you can just go to that post, find whatever snippet works best for your project, copy it, paste it, and it should more or less work right out of the box. Hopping into it, there's a few small things we have to edit. First, for the post action, we have to change the basic your@email.com to our actual email. For me, that's going to be bitemike01@gmail.com. For my form, I'm going to add one more field. It's just going to be a basic text area field so that the user can also send a message to me. That's just what I want in my form. You can add as many fields as you want. The only thing that really matters is that you make sure all of your fields do have a name. It's absolutely key, and it will cause issues trying to use formsubmit.co if they do not have a name. So if we take a look at this now, you'll see that the form is here, although it's quite ugly and it's only on localhost. It's best to only run this when you're on production with the live URL. That's just because of the way that they handle confirmations. So I'm going to style it up off screen and push it up to production. So I just styled the form and pushed it up to production. You'll see here everything seems to be functioning and looking nice. So if I enter in some basic test data here, name Mike, just put my email again, and then for the message I'll just say this is a test and submit it. Okay, the message was sent successfully. So if I check my email now, I should see, yep, here it is. So I just got a confirmation email from them. This is the first email that you're going to get. All you really have to do is just click Activate Form. It should take you to a page like this, which says Form Activated. You'll never be getting this email again. This was just to initialize it. All future form submissions will just come to you in the form of a regular email that forwards the data. And if we check our email right now, we can see my test submission here. It has all the data that we submitted, the name, the email, and the message. Of course, if you add more fields, those will show up here as well. That's going to be it for this video. I'll be sure to leave a link in the description to that text tutorial. I'll also leave a link to my contact form in case you want to check it out. If you found this helpful, let me know. And if you ran into any trouble, let me know in the comments. I'll do my best to help you figure it out. Have a great day. Take it easy.